If you are a business owner or a customer support manager, this video is for you. Hey everyone, I'm Bani, your go to AI agent specialist to help you automate all your mundane work. And today I'll be showing you how to revolutionize your customer service with an AI agent that works 24/7, never gets tired, and delivers consistent responses every single time. Say goodbye to the frustration of handling repetitive questions, managing support ticket backlogs, and training new support staff. This solution will transform how your business handles customer interactions while cutting costs and improving satisfaction scores. Not only will I show you where to find this agent and exactly how it works, but I'll also provide a step-by-step walkthrough on how you can build this AI agent yourself and customize it specifically for your company's products and unique support requirements without writing a single line of code. So let's jump into it. The agent that I've created is called Jenna, who is handling customer support for my company or your company. To find Jenna, just follow these steps. Open your web browser and search for AI Customer Support Agent by TARS. Click on the link that says AI Customer Support Agent for Automated Service by TARS. Let's see how Jenna works.
Hello and welcome to your company. I'm Jenna, your AI customer support agent. How can I help?
Since I'm the customer in this scenario, she begins by greeting me and asking how she can help. Now, Jenna is ready to answer my questions about the company's products, services, pricing, and any support issues that I might be experiencing. The great thing about Jenna is that she pulls information directly from the company's knowledge base, so she never makes up information. Let me ask her a question about pricing plans.
I'd be happy to provide information about our pricing plans. Let me retrieve that information for you. Pamish Pricing Plans. We offer 3 pricing tiers designed to meet different gifting needs. Free plan, $0 a month, up to 5.
Now, let me ask about a technical issue I'm having with the product.
I'm sorry to hear you're experiencing a delivery issue. Let me help you with that. Let me check our knowledge base for information about delivery.
As you can see, Jenna provides concise, helpful responses and even suggests troubleshooting steps when appropriate. She also includes links to the relevant pages on the website where I can get more detailed information. Now that you've seen how Jenna works as a customer support agent for your company, let me show you how you can build your own Jenna and customize her for your company and your specific support needs without even reaching out to any ready-made tech solutions or help desk platforms. To begin, we'll go to hellotars.com and log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. After logging in, we'll land in the dashboard of the TARS no-code AI agent builder. We'll start by clicking Create from Scratch and name your agent. Now we're at a blank canvas which will turn into a workflow for our customer support AI agent. We'll begin by clicking this Add a Gambit button. If you're new to TARS, a gambit is a step in the conversation. There are many types of gambits, but the first gambit is going to be a basic gambit. The messages that you see here are the first messages that the customer will receive when they click on the link of the agent. A good practice for making agents is to name your gambits well. I am going to name it welcome_user without capitalizations and by using underscores instead of spaces. Now I'll start adding the messages that the agent should present to the customer. You can change your company to your company's actual name. And so I've added messages that introduce Jenna and she ends it with how can I help? Let's talk about the user input, which is denoted by this blue button. There are different kinds of user input like messages, button choices, etc. But this gambit will have no user input, so I'll just scroll down and click this option. And now click Save. Before we move on to the next step, let's take a look at what this looks like. Click Publish and hit the button next to it to open your agent in a new tab. Alright, so this is how it works. Now we can head back to the no-code builder and add another gambit. I'll just connect it like this. This gambit is going to be an AI agent gambit. So I'll go to this drop-down menu and select AI-agent. This gambit is where Jenna, the AI agent, will interact with customers and provide support based on the company's knowledge base. So I'll name this gambit as customer_support_AI. Next, I'll head into the default messages section and remove all the default messages. Head back to the settings and scroll down to choose Claude 3.7 as your LLM model. Also ensure that the chat history toggle is turned on. Now we need to change the base prompt, and this is where the magic happens. The base prompt is a set of instructions given to the agent that tells it what to do and how to do it without leaving any space for ambiguity. Click this edit prompt button and I am just going to paste my existing prompt over here. And let's take a look at the prompt that I have. First, I've told Jenna who she is and what she's supposed to do. Next, I've given her strict parameters to follow throughout the conversation, such as always pull information from your knowledge base first. Never make up information if it is not available. Next, I've given her guidelines on keeping responses short, using a friendly tone, and formatting responses clearly. Finally, I've provided examples of good responses for different types of inquiries like pricing questions and technical support. Now I'll just save this prompt and save this gambit as well. Now Jenna needs tools to be able to access the company's knowledge base. So we'll give her a tool that allows her to do that. I'll add a new gambit, and in the drop-down menu, I will select AI-tool. In this drop-down menu, I will select the tool called Knowledge. This allows Jenna to access and search through your company's knowledge base to provide accurate information. The knowledge base tool is available by default in the tool gambit menu. So what is a knowledge base and how can you add it to your AI agent? A knowledge base is a centralized collection of information that your agent can reference to answer user queries or user questions effectively. This can include FAQs, documents, website data, and more. By integrating a KB, your agent becomes more intelligent and capable of handling a wider range of questions. The simplest business use case of a knowledge base is to train your agent on your company's website and your company's help docs. So let's try that with the Hello Tars website. Save this gambit and head over to the main dashboard by clicking the Tars logo at the top left. In this menu, head into Tars Prime. Click on Add a Knowledge Base and choose the type of knowledge that you want to train it on. There are many different options here, but I will choose a website URL. I'll give it the name Tars Website KB and click Create. This will create a new card for my knowledge base. Let's go in. I'll click this Add Resource button and I'll name the resource Tars Website. I'll insert the link of the Hello Tars website here and click Save. And now just click Train. This might take a few minutes. And we're done. We can now head back into the agent and add this knowledge base to the agent. It's important to note that a knowledge base doesn't get automatically updated. For example, if I use the HelloTars website link and train my agent on it, but then make changes to the website later, those new changes will not be reflected in the knowledge base automatically. You would need to retrain the knowledge base to incorporate those updates. Before we do anything else, let's connect this knowledge tool with the new knowledge base like this and click save. Now I can just drag and connect this knowledge to the AI agent Gambit. A great workaround for content that changes frequently is to attach a firecrawl tool to the AI agent Gambit. This allows the agent to extract real-time information from specific pages. You can do this by clicking another Add a Gambit button. Turn this into an AI tool and select Firecrawl Web Tools from the drop-down menu. Click Save and attach this tool as well to your existing AI agent Gambit. Now we can head into the prompt and add specific instructions for the agent to use Firecrawl only for pages that change often, such as pricing pages. For example, you could add something like, for pricing information, use the Firecrawl Scrape subtool on hellotars.com/pricing plans and prioritize this information over the knowledge base data. This approach ensures that your customers always get the most up-to-date information, especially for critical details like pricing and product features that may change frequently. But since this is an example and technically we are not making an AI agent for TARs, I'll go back and make just a few more changes. Great. So the only things I changed were removed everything to do with TARs and made it about your company, which is again a fake company that shows the effectiveness of this AI agent template. Now all we have to do is connect this AI agent Gambit back to itself like this. And we're all done with the workflow. Let's customize the look and feel of the AI agent before we test it. So we'll start by heading into the design section. You can change the header name, which is the name of the agent that appears here, the avatar. This is where you can put your company logo and things like the background, fonts, etc. So I'll just go with a random theme from here and I'll upload the same logo that I see up here. Before you move away from the section, always ensure that you save your changes. Then you can either head into the configure section and change the link of your AI agent by inserting your company's name over here. You can also change the voice used by the agent from these available options. Click Save, and now let's publish this agent to see how she works. Click Publish and the button next to it to open your agent in a new tab.
Hello and welcome to your company. I'm Jenna, your customer support AI agent. How can I help?
I'm just going to ask, what services do you offer?
I'd be happy to tell you about our services. Let me check our knowledge base for the most up-to-date information. Based on the information from our knowledge base, here's an overview of our services. Our services. Your company is...
And there you go. Your AI customer support agent is live and ready to save you tons of time handling customer inquiries. Now you can just update your knowledge base whenever your products or services change, and Jenna will automatically use the most up-to-date information. And if you want to see how customers are interacting with Jenna, just head back into your agent and go into the Check Data section. Click View and Export Data. You can view the conversations here and see what customers are asking most frequently. This can help you improve your knowledge base and even your products based on customer feedback. And it is super easy to just export this by clicking this export data button on top. And that's the completed walkthrough. I hope you found this video useful and that you'll be able to make this agent for yourself and save tons of time in providing excellent customer support. Let me know in the comments which agent I should make for you next. Happy automating!